And for the presentation, I went to the USC Pacific Asia Museum. I chose this place because I've never been there before and had so many different pieces of artwork from different parts of Asia. For example, there are sections dedicated to the South and Southeast Asia, the Himalayas, East Asia, and Pacific Islands. But for this project specifically, I focused mainly on the East Asian art. Why I chose this topic: I wanted to have a better understanding about the history behind the different pieces of East Asian art, and I wanted to expand my knowledge of the East Asian culture. So what I did was that I picked certain pieces of art from the East Asian section and just talked about the history and significance of each. So first, I saw the Kabuki section. So Kabuki is a Japanese drama that is a mix of singing, dancing, and miming. And I remember watching a video for class, and it stated that women actually started Kabuki, but now it's usually performed by men, which was very interesting. Then I saw this porcelain plate from China. This was made during the Ming Dynasty. The Ming Dynasty was full of richness, and the color blue was iconic in the Ming Dynasty. The color was actually what drew me close to this plate because of how bright and intricate the designs were. And then the samurais from Japan. I saw multiple artwork pieces of art dedicated to the samurai, but these were the two that I picked. So the one on the left was the samurai reading, and then the second one on the right is called the steps in dressing a samurai. I chose these in specific because how different they looked. The one on the left looked more like a cartoon to me compared to the one on the right, which looked more like proper and like it took a lot of time and effort to draw it. The samurais were Japanese military officials, and this is a painting from India. Not only did the colors pop out to me, but I remember learning a lot about the many gods and deities in the religion. They were so powerful and everyone looked up to them. I thought that. So overall, I thought that all these pieces of art stay true to the religions and beliefs, and I thought that is what made the museum interesting. I already learned about the different artworks in class, but it was cool to see it in person. And one takeaway that I would want the class to know is that Asian art is more than just art, it is culture passed down from generations, and we should not take the art for granted. I would encourage others to go to the museum to appreciate the different cultures and the history.